The ASUS ZenBook 13 is one of my favorite 13-inch laptops that I've reviewed in our channel, and I usually recommend it to friends if they are looking for a great laptop that looks good, inexpensive, and performs great. Now, this is the 2020 ASUS ZenBook 13, otherwise known as the UX325. I've been using this for about a week already, and there are several features that got me really hyped. So this is what I have to say about it. There's a reason why ASUS is bold to claim that this is the world's smallest 13-inch laptop you will ever come across, because it has reduced height by shrinking the keyboard area to an edge-to-edge design. It is also slimmer than its predecessor at 13.9mm and weighs in an impressive 1.15 kg, while maintaining an all-aluminum design that has passed military standards. The laptop still features an ergolift display hinge that raises the keyboard a little for a better typing experience. Although it feels flatter this time compared to its predecessor, it is more comfortable when I'm using on my lap, and I still like the typing experience with the silent keys and key travel. The trackpad is wide and has good tracking performance. It now comes with an improved capacitive number pad which can be useful for some, and features a quick shortcut to launch the calculator app. Port selection has always been one of the ZenBook 13's selling point, but this time, ASUS has surprisingly left out the headphone jack, which could be a deal breaker for some, but ASUS has given a USB-C audio adapter with a built-in DAC out of the box that delivers excellent sound. The reason given for that omission is due to the lack of space caused by the edge-to-edge keyboard design, but really, there's definitely sufficient space for one, and it just doesn't make sense when ASUS can fit in full-size ports and a micro SD card reader. On a brighter note, I'm glad that the ZenBook 13 charges over USB-C, and both USB-C ports support Thunderbolt 3. My review unit is powered by a 10th Gen Intel Core i7-1065G7 processor and comes with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of NVMe storage. The RAM is unfortunately soldered, but you can upgrade the storage in the future if you need to. The laptop has Wi-Fi 6 connectivity that makes it convenient to transfer files faster and enjoy faster download speeds when connected to a compatible router. The IR camera does facial recognition really well, and the webcam image quality is decent for a proper conference call. Although my unit doesn't come with the low-power 450nit display that's available in other countries, the display quality is still decent as it covers 97% of the sRGB space with a peak brightness of 330 nits, which is already sufficient for indoor usage. The loudspeakers produce a warm sound signature with decent bass response, but I wish it had a louder volume.
Electrify with you.
In general, the ZenBook 13 performs decent if your workflow mainly involves documents, emails, and opening multiple tabs on Microsoft Edge. I have not experienced any performance issues when using programs like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop, but I can still potentially run into issues if I have too many programs running in the background, and this is where I wished ASUS could have offered a configuration with more RAM in the Malaysian market. With a 67Wh battery, ASUS claims up to 22 hours of battery life on a single charge, but based on real-world tests, I only managed to get up to 8 hours on average, which is still really good by all means. The ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325 is available in Core i5 and i7 models, and they retail at 3,999 ringgit and 4,699 ringgit respectively. By all means, this is a laptop that you can't go wrong with if you're looking for an inexpensive, lightweight portable laptop with full-size ports and a great battery life. Now that's pretty much for my review of the ZenBook 13. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you saw, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech videos coming out, and click on that bell notification icon so that you will be notified of our latest videos. That's pretty much for now. Thanks for watching. I'm Warren with KLGadgetTV, and I will see you in our next one.